Hi you guys, it's Spiritual-Huntress 22 KK for the day, aka Kaya Coben, and I'm going to do the morning vibe readings, I think it was. I don't have a dream to think about or to say because it's been because I woke up this morning around 4:50, yeah, so almost 5. And it was really, yeah, it was a lot, but yeah, I had a real morning vibe going on, where I have been studying, doing my yoga. And sorry for the background noise because they're working in the streets right now, so my deepest apologies. But yeah, I woke up very early. I did my morning routine, did my yoga, showered, then ate my breakfast, and then studied. Um, and now I'm here doing my reading. So I don't have a dream right now, but yeah. I do have these cards from the cycles of life, in harmony with the cycles of life, just to see what is going on. Just like I said before, these cards are not only related to women, it is about the cycle of women, but it's not only about that, it's really about the things, just advice that you can take on for your life. So it's not, it's just in general. It's about men or female. You choose which one and how it goes. I will read 2 cards now, and I will read 2 cards in the next reading. Yeah. All right. So let's get started. I hope you guys see me, but I think you do. Okay. Dang. So the 13 moons. I trust my inner wisdom. Okay. Let yourself go into the wisdom of how it used to be in the older times. How you can manage time and how they would take track of time. The 13 moon calendar connects you again with the holy cycle of the year circle. By going deep in this way of building time and tracking time, you can connect again with your intuitive experiences of life that that is being lived in the closest connection of the cycle of nature. This is a calling for you to take to make contact with born powers of your intuitive leading that you never have abandoned. You can go, you can count on this moments and influence for your inner knowledge, to find it within you. It's been waiting for you to be awakened and to be remembered again. You're being asked to come into harmony again with the rhythms of nature to help you with the cycle, with the with the cycle right now to navigate yourself, to bring rest. It can also be useful to see your it can also be useful to see your the tree of your ancestors, to follow it back to the time of your ancestors, great parents, great grandparents, how they were connected with the moon calendars. These great grandparents, ancestors, they have the key to the earth rituals and usings, and they can help you to use this to find your inner power and wisdom that you so want to build up again. And it wants to express themselves from out of you and awaken and be stronger. Make yourself open for the older wisdoms and see how the magic flows through you. What do you know, a reflection question, what do you know of your ancestors and what can they learn you? What can you teach from them? Nice, all right. So, all right, I'm gonna leave it with this, and I'm going to do a reading for each card, so I have 4 readings to go. But this card is actually just to remind you that you have to take time to reconnect with nature, to reconnect with how things used to be, with the moon cycles, with with daylight, nighttime, with how the moon and sun flows around, and just to connect yourself and ground yourself a little bit more with nature and with the natural vibe of timing and the natural vibe of life as well, and see how your ancestors, connect with your ancestors again and see how they got to do these things, so that you can know how your ancestors were working with the natural things around them and how they used to flow around it. So it's a good thing to check out your history and check out the history of maybe your country or something else, to see how things should be, how things have been before, and how you can maybe imply things that can work for you and that will make you feel much healthier and much better. So yeah, like not eating too many processed foods and really paying attention to eating healthier, drinking healthier, and all these things. I'm already drinking a matcha milk, matcha latte, like they name it, with some soya milk. That's really good. It's really, really good. And it's relaxing. So, all right. So see you later, alligators, and see you in a while, crocodiles. I will record a few readings again, just like I did before, because I put this into my schedule so that I won't miss another day anymore, because I have been missing a few days again. And that's not how it should be. So see you later, alligators. See you in a while, crocodile. Peace out.